Today's episode is going to be on making cookies. And some people can have tree nuts and some people can't have tree nuts. So the first recipe we're going to do is made with coconut flour. And I'm going to show you how to put it together. We have our coconut flour, which will look at the screen and it'll have the measurements for you. Then we're going to add our baking powder, which will help to leaven this. Next, we're going to use gelatin. This is a soft and chewy cookie, and the gelatin helps it to give it a more chewy texture. Next, I add in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of softened cream cheese. I like to soften the cream cheese in the microwave, and that way it's more easy to incorporate into this dry mixture. And we have about 1/2 of a stick of room temperature butter. Next, I put in 1 egg. Mix that together. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. You can flavor these cookies with any extract that you want to. Some people like lemon. Some people, there's even a chocolate extract that you can put in with this. Today, though, we're going to do chocolate chips. If you've noticed, I haven't put any sweetener in this because the chocolate chips will have enough sweetener to carry through the cookie. And you can add as many or as few chocolate chips as you like. Some people like to add chopped nuts to theirs. And the dough gets fairly thick. That's because the coconut is absorbing a lot of the liquid. And put these on parchment paper before they go in the oven. And since this dough is a little bit stiff because of the coconut flour, you may have to press it down a little bit with your fingers in order to get them to spread. And these will go into the oven at 280 degrees for about 12 minutes. Our cookies are finished, and they did about 12 to 14 minutes in the oven, depending on how heavy the batter is and how hot your oven is. I want you to remember that we put chocolate chips in these cookies, but the basic batter you can put anything in. You can put any flavoring you want. So play with this a little bit. Make the basic batter and then add to it what you like to do. And when we take them off, we're going to let them cool for a while. And remember, these are kind of a chewy cookie. They're not a very crisp cookie. At some other time, we'll do a crisp cookie for you. And I like baking on parchment paper because things just don't stick to it. We've done these cookies without tree nuts. In another episode, we'll do a cookie with tree nuts. I hope you try these and I hope that you enjoy.